Hello everyone, welcome or you come back to my channel Anthony Lee GMC, and if you are new here, so this is the channel that I create with just only three main categories. So the first one is about digital marketing. So this is what I'm passionate for, and I graduate master degree about that subject, global media and communication. This is my major in the university. So the second one I'm sharing about the personal finance. So sharing with you all the tips and the tricks that I learned, as well as I apply in my real life about personal finance, how to make your finance to be better, and how to lead you go to the financial freedom. This is the target. And the third one is about productivity tips. So I will share with you all what I know and all what I apply in my real life about how to do more productivity. So this video today, I would like to share with you about the content about productivity tips. So the topics would be how to read faster. So I used to hear that we have two ways that help you to grow. The first one is you will try and experience something, and then you get the lesson and you get the values, and then you grow. And the second way is you grow by reading the book, throwing all the mistakes, so that you can learn from them, and then you can apply to your life, so you can try to avoid mistake and go faster, go to the success. So I mean that reading is super important because of this reason. So when you have the good abilities to read faster, you can absorb more the information and you can learn better. So it will help you to save a lot of time to apply what you learn to realities. So let's think, for example, in a year that you can read like every week that you can read around 3 books. So in a year, so we have a 52. So I mean that, okay, just in general, in 1 year, if you can read around 150 books, something, I'm not really good at math. So it will amazing. It will change your life totally. If you have the knowledge, you learn a lot of lessons from the people who have a lot of experience before. So many authors that I know, they experience for many years, 10 years, 20, even 30 years, even whole life, and then finally they figure out, okay, so these are some experience that people can avoid, some mistakes that people can avoid, and the way how to go to success faster. So let's read the kinds of books, so they're sharing all the mistakes for you, so you don't need to spend your time, spend many years to go to the mistake. You can avoid it just by reading a book, few hundreds of pages. So it's amazing, right? So this is a reason that if you master in the skill of reading, it will change your life in a rapidly way. So for example, like I am reading a book right now, so this is called Crushing It of Gravity. So it's talk with you about the how great entrepreneurs build their business and influence, and how you can too. So this book is around, I think it's around 400 pages, 270 pages. I read already 200 pages something on this one. So I mean that's this video now I will sharing with you about 3 steps that help you to mastermind in reading this book. So the first thing I really want you to understand is, don't try to read the books, try to use the book. Because many people are trying to read as lot as possible, however they don't apply what they read in the book to the real life, so it doesn't make sense. So I mean that you can, maybe if you speak not really well, so you can practice to speak slowly, but you make sure that whenever you read a book, try to figure out 3 to 5 the main idea in this book, and then apply it in your reality, in your real life. Because if you just read the book and you don't apply in your real life, that book doesn't make sense, right? So make sure about this one. So the first skill that will help you to read the book faster, this is your finger. So this is a tip that I usually use to make me read faster. So for example, like that, when I read a book like Gravy, Crossing It, so I will use my finger for every line. So every line I'm reading, I will use the finger. So it makes me to be more focused on what line that I'm reading on. Because when you just read by your eyes, I mean that's so many words, so it can make you become distracted. But when you use your finger, so you point in the words, it will help you to be more focused on. So what you should read and so which line you are reading on. Yeah. So the first one, try to use your finger when you are reading. It will very effectively then help you to be faster, rapidly. Yeah. And the second tip is trying to reading at the same time using audio. So what does it mean? I mean that's nowadays with the new versions of book, so you can easily to find the book in the kind of the hard copy and the book in the audio files. So let's try to combine it together. So for example, like I will send you the link below that you can try the Amazon Prime. Thus you can have the free 30 day. Yeah, you free 30 day for using the audio library. So you can check the book, like for example, Crossing It, you check on audios library, and then you can try to hearing the audio book of Crossing It, and you trying to read the book at the same time. But this is a trick when you do this tip. So I mean, because the speak in the audio book is quite a little bit slow, so you will try to up it a little bit, go to 1.2 or 1.5 percent, 1.2 or 1.5. Yeah, so it will make it a little bit faster, so it will go at the same time with you reading the book. Because the reason why you try to read in the textbook and you try to listening is because when you use the sense of your eyes and when you try to hear the book, so it will make you to try to learn in the two way. So it helps you to remember, it helps you the information to adopt in your mind and in your subconscious mind in the better way. So let him, you use your eyes to read and you use your subconscious mind to listen. Yeah, that's true. It will help you to be massive, get the information from the book and can apply it easily in the real life. And the final one is the more you read, the faster you can. Because reading is look like a kind of exercise. Like if you really want to be an athlete, you need to do a lot of exercise, right, to build your muscle. Because when during the training, your muscle will feel familiar with the movement and it's do faster. It's the same thing happen with your brain. So when you try to read the book daily, and then you make your brain have the feeling of familiar with reading the book, it will super easy for you to can go through the book quickly. Because when you read more, you can I already you already have the mindset that you can read the book. For example, like for the beginning, maybe you can read a book around 1 page or 1 minute, but when you start to read around 2 or 3 books, so your speed can be up to just in 1 minute you can read around you can read 1 page in just 50 seconds. Yeah, that's true. So the more practice, the faster you can read. So try this all. So these are the 3 tips that I believe that will help you to massive and to upgrade your reading skill in the very rapidly way. And I'm also trying to do this daily right now. So the reason that's why I really want to share in this videos for you, because I know that this time is the time the COVID-19 is a kind of the time for people to stay at home more, and you have more time for yourself. So trying to practice, if you don't have the habits of reading the book before, trying to practice to reading more book, because after you reading one book, you will have lots of knowledge, and also you have a different point of, that you can look the words in the different views go through the lens of the author. So trying to do this, and if you can try to read one book for a week for the first time if you never read book before, and then you up to 2 book a week and 3 book a week and 7 book a week. You know, on average, the CEO of the big company they read can up to 150 book a year. So it looks like 2 or 3 days they can complete a book. So they have a different kind of reading a books. Maybe you can read on textbook, on the hard copy. I mean, or you can try to use audio, because if on the way that you drive to the workplace, or when you on the business trip, maybe audiobook will be more easier for you, so you can adopt and you can understand, you can read it. Yeah, but read hard copy is also my favorite one. Yeah, so this reason why I'm trying to read every single day. And thank you for watching this video. And I also send you a gift. This is 30-day free for Amazon Drive on the link in my description. And hope that you guys will enjoy reading more and listening more to improve yourself and have a great day. And remember to like and subscribe for my channel, Anthony Lee GMC, to update more content every single day. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.